How to remove the lock screen, PIN, password or pattern lock on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down, and in here, tap on security and privacy. Next, tap on lock screen. Now in here, before you can make any change, make sure you unlock your screen first. So here I will use a pattern unlock. Then to remove the PIN, password or pattern, simply select swipe or none. So here if I select swipe, you can see that I will no longer need to enter in the PIN or a password to gain access to my phone. Now if you do this, your phone will be less secure. That means anyone can access your phone without having the password, the PIN or a pattern lock. And that's it. The other option is to select none. If you select none, you can always just go directly to your phone screen without having to swipe. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.